In this video, I'll show you how to bet with bonus account on OneXBet. This is very easy. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So to bet a bonus account on OneXBet, after claiming it, here's what to do. You're going to come over to your menu here and you're going to click on your accounts. So you see that you have many accounts and there is the last account here that you are going to see here, which is your bonus account. If you claim it, you're going to see a bonus account here. I can go ahead and click on a bonus account, and any bet that you go ahead and place here is going to be from your bonus account.